what's McCrack-a-lackin'? We back out here. We got the Grom again. She's still a little dirty from last video. We went off-road and got some mud on her, baby. What's up? So we're gonna try this GoPro. It's shaking a lot. I have the stabilization on. We'll see if it helps at all. Also, I realized that I filmed all the videos in 4:3 ratio instead of 9/16. So all the videos are in like a weird box, so sorry about that. Do a quick one for you. Whew, that was a good one. Alright, so sorry about the last couple of videos being filmed weird in the black outline, so I fixed that. That's all changed, and we'll see if this works. Also, check out the new visor, bro. Looking clean out here with the new visor. And shout out, man, I got a couple new subscribers. We hit double digits, baby. Woo! So stoked, man. We're at 10 subscribers. I appreciate it. Oh, god damn it. Dude, I hit my nuts so fucking hard on the seat. Ah. Oh, god. Okay. Power through it. We stopped here for a reason. Okay. Here it is. Shout out to Throttle Nuts. He said, "Lol, nice brother. Makes me want to hit the lot too." Hey, man, I appreciate all the comments. And then the only other comment is my reply to him. But shout out to him, man. You know, I appreciate it. Throttle Nuts, man. But yeah, leave me some comments on this one. I'll shout you out next week. Yes! Yes! Look, you can probably see yourself in the visor. See? See? That's you. That's you. Yeah! What you stopping for? What you stopping for? Bye! Get the Lowriders out. Oh! Okay, I see how you're flexing. What the heck did I just stumble upon? Alright! We got some Lowriders. Oh! Jaywalkers! You jaywalkers! Oh my gosh, that's so illegal. It's crazy. It's crazy how illegal that was. You're so not good. Flowers. This girl's ready to freaking race. Oh my, what? Yeah! That was sick! That was sick! Yes! Make chicks, dude. Ooh, that's me.
Uh-oh, retard alert!
Alright, anyways, that'll do it for today. Thanks for watching. Remember, leave a comment down below. I want to shout you out next video. Like the video, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Peace out.